Hey everyone, welcome back to Market Fluidity University. My name is Sim Forex, and today we're going to do gold price action analysis for January 12, 2026, Monday. So as we all know that mostly when the market opens on Monday, sometimes it opens with a gap. So always keep that in mind. Here we can see that our daily candle from Friday, it broke the daily resistance and closed at 45.09, and our next daily resistance is at 45.35. 4 hour, if we see here, 4 hour, we same thing, we closed above the daily 4 hour resistance, and next resistance same at 45.35, and we have a support formed at 44.65 on 4 hours. 1 hour resistance is coming up 45.12, and we have our support formed at 44.83. And if we look at 30 minutes, we had a minor resistance formed at 45.09, and the next resistance is just 30 pips away, 45.12. So we're gonna take this resistance as our main resistance, 45.12, and then we have our support at 45.83. Okay, so now we know that we have a resistance coming up at 45.12, and our next resistance after this is, let's see, on our left, I think it's 45.46, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna go on my left to see. It's a little far away, but it's right here. Okay, so we can see that our next 30 minute resistance is after this 45.17s. We have a clear left between 45.15 to 45.42. So 30 minutes, we have a clean range of 235 pips on our left. So this is what it is, that we have a clean left until 45.42 after 4. So if a 30-minute candle closed above 45.17, I'm all up for the buys. Okay, if you want to take a sell, then I would wait for a market structure to form first, because taking a counter trade setup can be a little tricky when we are in such a bullish momentum. So here we're gonna wait for a market structure to form in this area, especially between 45.04 to 45.17, and then if I see a candle closing, healthy candle closing below 45.02, then I might plan for a counter trade setup for a sell. But right now we are in a very heavy bullish trend, so my preference to look for a buys, and we have a clean range above 45.17, and that's the analysis for gold today. And we're gonna see when the market gonna open. If it opens with a gap, then just wait for a market structure to form a little bit and see where it's taking us. Okay, and that's it for today, and we're gonna see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. And